In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format messages in Slack. Formatting your messages properly in Slack makes a huge difference, especially when you want your updates to be easy to scan, your technical notes to look organized, or your most important points to stand out right away. Although Slack does have a formatting toolbar, using keyboard markers directly in the message box is often much faster because you can keep typing without interrupting your flow. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Then go into any channel or direct message and click inside the message composer at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your formatting will happen. Now let's look at the basic text styles you can apply inline as you type. If you want to make text bold, place an asterisk on both sides of the words you want to emphasize. For example, you could type a sentence and wrap a key phrase in asterisks to make it stand out. If you want italic text, use an underscore on both sides of the word or phrase instead. This is useful for subtle emphasis, such as highlighting a critical update. And if you need strike-through text, place a tilde on both sides of the content. That's especially helpful when you want to show that something has been replaced or is no longer current. You can also use formatting markers at the beginning of a line to create more structure. To make a list item, type an asterisk, followed by a space at the start of a new line. If you prefer a numbered list, type 1, followed by a period and a space. This is a great way to organize action items or steps. For quote blocks, type a greater than sign, followed by a space at the beginning of a line. That creates an indented quote style, which works well for important notes or alerts. And for inline code, place a single backtick on both sides of a command, variable, or short snippet of text. This helps technical content stand out clearly from the rest of the sentence. If you need to share a larger block of code, use a multi-line code block. Start by typing 3 backticks on a blank line, then press Shift and Enter to move to the next line without sending the message. After that, type or paste your code into the block that appears. When you're done, type 3 backticks again on a new line to close the code block. Finally, press Enter to send it. That's it. Once you get used to these keyboard formatting markers, writing clean and readable Slack messages becomes much faster and more natural. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in